Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Soul Fruit. Thanks for tuning in. Have you ever met someone who has an abnormal amount of energy in the morning? Are you not that type of person, but more like this? If so, you're like many other folks who suffer from fatigue in the morning and all day, but no worries, because in this video, I'm going to teach you 5 ways to stay energized all day. First things first, you need your sleep. Unless you're one of these guys. Sleep requirements vary from person to person, but most healthy adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep to function at their best. Prioritizing your sleep isn't just beneficial to your energy levels, it's also an act of self-care, so make sure to treat yourself. Number 2, sunlight. Make sure to get some sun as soon as you can in the morning, and don't just roll over to check your phone. Guilty. Ironically enough, getting sun during the day can lead to a better night's sleep, but that's because sunlight directly affects the brain's pineal gland that produces melatonin, aka the sleep chemical. Number 3, exercise. Although exercise is the last thing you want to do when you feel tired, getting active actually delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your tissues and helps your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. And when your heart and lung health are working more efficiently, you have more energy to carry you through your day. Number 4, limit caffeine. Even though people drink caffeine with the hopes to get more energy, it can actually leave you with the opposite effect. Have you ever drank coffee and it just makes you sleepy? That's because coffee blocks the chemical adenosine, which causes sleepiness, but when the coffee wears off, you crash back into sleepiness. The solution is to actually not rely on coffee and instead rely on our next topic. Number 5, water. It's so important to our health and energy levels. Studies show that even mild dehydration, such as the loss of 1 to 3% body fat, can impair many aspects of brain function. Have you ever seen a wilted flower that hasn't been watered? That's literally you when you are dehydrated. Daily water intake varies on your weight, however, most adults show that they need at least 3 to 4 liters of water to function on an optimal level. Incorporate one or all of these to your day and let me know if you see any changes. They definitely help me avoid looking like this withered out close-up of SpongeBob every day. I hope you were able to take something away from this video, and if you liked it, feel free to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.